All right, food enthusiasts! Welcome to my comedy cooking show, where we turn culinary classics into gourmet giggles. Today we're tackling Pommes Anna with a twist of lemon and sage. Sounds fancy, right? It's basically a posh potato cake that's going to make your taste buds do the cha-cha. First, we need some potatoes. I'm talking about the humble spud, the unsung hero of the vegetable world. Peel them like you're auditioning for a potato peeling Olympics. And don't let those peels go to waste. Save them for a rainy day potato confetti party. Next, grab a sharp knife. No, not the one you use to open Amazon packages. We need precision here. Slice those potatoes thin like you're shaving them for a date. Got it? Good. Now let's talk butter. This recipe needs butter like a comedy show needs a punchline. Melt a good amount of it in a pan, and by good, I mean enough to make your doctor raise an eyebrow. Here's where we get fancy. Add a splash of lemon juice to the melted butter. Not only does it keep the potatoes from getting oxidized and turning into zombie potatoes, but it also adds a zing that'll make your taste buds sing. Next, grab some fresh sage. If you don't have sage, just sage it for later. Get it? Anyway, chop it up and toss it into the butter. The aroma alone is worth the effort. Now, the assembly line begins. Layer the potato slices into an oven-proof dish like you're playing a game of potato Tetris. Brush each layer with the lemon sage butter. And remember, butter is your friend, don't skimp. Once you've layered all your potatoes, pour the remaining butter over the top. Yes, we're being indulgent. And yes, your taste buds will thank you. Cover the dish with foil and pop it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Use this time to clean up, do a little dance, or contemplate the meaning of life. Your call. After 45 minutes, remove the foil and let it bake for another 15 minutes. This helps the top get all crispy and golden like a delicious potato crown. When it's done, let it cool for a few minutes. Slice it up and serve it with a flourish. And there you have it. Pommes Anna with lemon and sage. Fancy enough for a dinner party, simple enough for a weeknight treat. Thanks for joining me on this culinary comedy adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more laughs and delicious recipes. See you next time.